Hello. Have you ever wondered why the weather in your area is so different from other places? There are many factors that influence local weather, but today we're going to focus on two big players, the jet stream and ocean currents. Imagine a powerful river of air flowing high above Earth's surface. That's the jet stream. It's a fast-moving current of air that circles the globe, influencing weather patterns across the continents. The jet stream is like a giant conveyor belt, transporting air masses from one place to another. Generally, the jet stream moves air from the northwestern part of the United States to the southeast. The jet stream is not always in the same place, and its speed and direction can vary. These changes have a big impact on local weather. For example, when the jet stream dips southward, it can bring cold air from the Arctic to the lower part of the United States, causing a sudden drop in temperature. On the other hand, when the jet stream shifts northward, it can allow warmer air from the south to move into the northern regions. Ocean currents are like rivers within the ocean. They are vast streams of water that circulate around the globe, carrying heat and moisture from one place to another. Ocean currents play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. For example, the Gulf Stream is a warm ocean current that flows from the Gulf of Mexico up the east coast of the United States. The Gulf Stream brings warm water to the coast, making the climate milder in the winter. In contrast, the California current is a cold ocean current that flows along the west coast of the United States. The California current brings cool water to the coast, influencing the climate in that region. The jet stream and ocean currents can interact in complex ways to influence local weather. For example, a warm ocean current can provide a source of moisture for the atmosphere, which can then be transported by the jet stream to other regions, leading to increased precipitation. The interaction between the jet stream and ocean currents can also lead to extreme weather events, such as hurricanes and tornadoes. These events can have a significant impact on local communities, causing damage to property and infrastructure. By understanding how global patterns like the jet stream and ocean currents influence local weather, we can better predict and prepare for weather events. This knowledge can help us make informed decisions about everything from what to wear to how to protect our homes and businesses from extreme weather. So the next time you look at a weather forecast, remember that the weather in your area is influenced by global patterns that are constantly changing. By understanding these patterns, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complex and interconnected nature of our planet's climate system. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of global weather patterns. Thank you for watching.